Okay, let's start. So yesterday we have just started discussing about the SAP upgrade. So to upgrade our SAP systems, any SAP systems, so we have to use the sum tool, right? This is the sum tool. For installation, which tool we have to use it? What is the tool we have to use it for the installation of the SAP systems? SWPM tool. Okay, SWPM tool for the updating the components or patching upgrade. So we have to use the sum tool. So sum tool we have to use it. So yesterday we discussed about sum tool and spam saying previously how we have done. So now what is the sum tool, what we required for the sum tool. So this and all things we discussed. So to continue with the yesterday's topic, today we'll discuss about sum tool procedure, how to calculate the stack.xml file. That is a very important key. How the key is very important for the home. Without key, how we cannot come to inside of the home. So same as like the XML file, stack.xml file, very important. Stack configuration file is very important for the for this one. So here we need to generate the first step using the sum tool. We have to generate the stack configuration file. Stack configuration file we have to generate from the service marketplace maintenance planner. We have to generate it. Service marketplace, the maintenance planner we have to generate it. So then go to the explore systems. Go to explore systems. From there you select your system. Select your system. Go to explore system, select your system, then calculate the target patch level. And download the stack configuration stack.xml file and push the patches to download basket. Okay, download basket. Okay, download basket is the one of the basket. Normally we will add everything to the cart, right? Here also we will add to the cart. Then everything we can download it. Everything we can download it in single shot. We can download it all the files. So these are the steps we have to perform it. Okay, if the system is exist in our solution, if the system is exist in the maintenance planner, we have to follow these steps. So what if my system does not exist in the maintenance planner? What if, like in this case, normally so in our landscape, so we have the suppose ECC system, and also we have the solution manager system also available. So solution manager is the one of the central monitoring system. Okay, Solman solution manager system. So this is our ECC system, right? So and the same as like not only ECC in our landscape, we have BW, right? We have PI, we have CRM. Like that, we have a number of systems are available in our landscape. Depends upon the business. Okay, ECC, BW, okay, CRM, and PI. So and also we have suppose like example HANA database also available in the system. So what exactly the solution manager will do? So all the systems will talk to the solution manager. All the systems will talk to the solution manager. Will connect to the solution manager. Why? Because solution manager is the one of the central monitoring system. This will monitor all these systems. This will monitor, solution manager will monitor the ECC, BW, CRM, PI, and it will monitor all the systems. So if any issues occurs, suppose long running jobs, not enough dialogue process, batch process, immediately solution manager will send the alert to your inbox. Your mail inbox, it will send the alerts. So not only we are continuously, the solution manager system will monitor all our systems. So we are just only during our shift time, during the starting of our shift, we will log in, we will do our manual monitoring. That is the manual monitoring. But if you implement your solution manager system in your system, what happens? The solution manager so will monitor the all your satellite systems. We will call it as the how all your satellite systems will monitor the all your satellite systems. If any issues occurs, then it will send the LS to head. So all these systems will push the data to solution manager. The solution manager will solution manager, there is a attached maintenance planner in the service marketplace. So all the systems details, everything is available in the maintenance planner. All the system details, everything is available in the solution manager. Everything is available in the solution manager. Everything is available here in the maintenance planner. From here we will select the systems. Then we will do the all our here we will select the systems, and we will calculate the from which version to which version you are planning to go to upgrade. So that versions we will calculate it here, right? That is the scenario. We will now normally we will do it from here, right? So that is the maintenance planner calculations. We will do it here. But in your landscape, you don't have the solution manager. Suppose example, the solution manager, nothing, no, there is no business, just only monitoring. There is no solution manager in your landscape. Then how can we do the patching? This is one of the cross questions they will ask you in the during the interview point of time. So in your landscape, if you don't have the solution manager, then how can we calculate the stack.xml file? If we have the solution manager, then we know. So go to the maintenance planner, explore systems, then select your system, then calculate the target patch level and everything. If don't have the solution manager, what we have to do? If we don't have solution manager, if we don't have Solman, what we have to do? In this case, what we have to do? We have to log into our ECC system, log into the system, maybe ECC or whatever the system. Then go to the same transaction code and download the sysinfo.xml file from your system, your ECC or whatever the, then upload this sysinfo.xml file into so your maintenance planner, we can upload it. So if you have the solution manager, directly you can go to the explore systems, you can select your system, then calculate the target patch levels and everything. If you don't have Solman system, so these are the steps you have to perform, which means go log into your system, then go to the saint transaction code, okay, the saint transaction code. So go to the utilities. So you can generate the sysinfo.xml file, it will be generated. Okay, I have downloaded the sysinfo.xml file. I have downloaded. You can see here. So we have sysinfo.xml file got downloaded. Sysinfo.xml file got downloaded here. Okay, sysinfo.xml file got downloaded here. So, okay, so this is the way we have to download the XML file. Okay, once you download the XML file, not only we have not completed till, so we have to, once you done this one, then what we have to do now? So once you've done this one, we have to go to the maintenance planner means service marketplace, then maintenance planner. So you can see that here there is a maintenance planner option. Maintenance planner. Why we are using this maintenance planner means the planning the changes. To plan the changes, from support that changes from one version to another version, we need to use this version. You need to use this one. So go to explore systems. So we can just select the system, we can calculate. So what if I don't have the solution manager? What if I don't have the solution manager? Then we have to follow this step. Like, so log into the ECC system or Saint, download the sysinfo.xml file, upload the. So this question definitely every interviewer they will ask you. So how will you calculate the question? How will you calculate the stack.xml file for the SAP upgrade? For some tool, the XML file is required. How will you calculate? So it's very simple, sir. We can go to the service marketplace, maintenance planner. From there, we have the explore systems. From there, we have the explore system maintenance planner, explore systems, select your system. Then we can calculate the target patch level and we can download the all the patches and everything. So what if you don't have the solution manager, your system is not exist here, what you can do? So then in this case, you have to tell like this point. Like if you don't have solution manager, so then you have to do the following these steps, you have to perform it. Just click on the add system. There is an option add system. So then just click on the next button, then browse the sysinfo.xml file which you downloaded. So which you downloaded from the same thread, just you can just calculate the next button. Okay, this is calculate the next button. Okay, so just click on the next button. So why you are uploading manager? So no solution, just you are uploading this one. Okay, just put the anything. Just you have, so system is adding now. System is adding now here. So you can see here system is getting added to the here in the maintenance planner. So this maintenance planner is very important here. Okay, so why it is very important means to plan the changes from the some upgrade. So this maintenance planner is very important. You can see here system is ECB successfully saved into the maintenance planner. Now we can see our system. Now we can see our system. Just type it here. We have the many more systems are there. So we have the ECP system is there. You can type it. See here. So it is added here. It is added. So let's see whether it is our system or not. We can see it's not our system. It's not our system. It's not our system. Then so let me take a look. It's a different system. It's not our system. Go to the explore systems again. So add system. You have to browse this sysinfo.xml file. Just I will type the ECP1. So not normally it should show here. It should show the all the details here. All the details should be shown here. So we have applied the license as well. Then check it out here whether our system is available here or not. We need to check it out here. So just type it. So to upload this link here definitely the license is very important in the SLIC transaction code. We already applied the permanent license and the maintenance license. We already applied and it's valid. So we generated the XML file and we have uploaded to the here. We have generated the XML file, then we have uploaded here. So just refresh to see whether the data is available or not. Sometimes it will take a while, sometimes it will take while to get the system here. To get the system here, sometimes it will take a while. So let's see. So no, it's not available here. It means we need to log out. Okay, access to my launchpad. Here, maintenance planner. There is a tile. These are called the tiles. Okay, these are the tiles. So just to open the tile. And here you see the explore systems. In explore systems, you will see the explore systems, you will see the systems. Okay, list of all your systems which are available in your landscapes. You can see the systems here. So in the systems, you can find out our systems, like list of systems are there. Maybe you can choose any one of the system, any one of the system. Suppose if you take the BW1, so BW1 system. So select this one, select the BW1 system, select the BW1 system. So which system you want to do the upgrade? So first of all, we need to calculate the stack.xml file. So to calculate the stack.xml file, so what we are doing is we are going to the maintenance planner, explore systems, select your system, which system you are going to do. In this case, we can take example BW1. Okay. So here you will get the, like this, you will get the screen in your maintenance planner when you select the system. Okay, not only here, so any system you can select it, any system. So whatever the system you are planning to do the upgrade, so you can choose it, you can choose it, you can choose the any system you can planning to upgrade, any system you can choose it. Just if you click on this one, then you will get the this button you will get it out. Okay, this button you will get it out. So like that you can plan the upgrade, you can plan the all our upgrade systems, you can plan it. Okay, plan to the, so you can plan the upgrade, any system you can use for the planning the upgrade. Just click on the BW1. We will take the example of the BW1 system. Okay, BW1 system, we will take the example here. So here just click on the plan, just click on the plan. Why? Because we are planning the changes. Just click on the plan button. So here we need to choose the target patch level. Target patch level, we have to choose it. From which patch level to which patch level you are going to upgrade, that target patch levels, we have to update it. Okay, so let's see. So here just click the, we are updating our NetWeaver systems, or we are installing, you are updating. So select then what you are updating. This is the current patch levels which are installed in the system. Okay, current patch levels and SP22 currently we have installed in the system. You are planning to update or installing the new add-ons. Just click this one. So just click on the updating. You are updating NetWeaver system to 21 to 26 you are updating. Then select this button, or 25 you are updating. Select this one. So from which version to which version? Select the NetWeaver version, select the support pack stack, just click on the 26. Means you are updating the NetWeaver version 2 from 20 versions to 26 version you are updating. So that change you have defined here, then see here how it is updating. So NetWeaver version is getting updated. If you want to update any other things as well, so you can just go and select those things as well. Or if you want to install any new components in our existing system, existing software components, yesterday we have discussed, right? If you go to the system status, there you will see the current software stack information, current component information, the near SP levels, and the current release level, what are the product versions are installed, all the details are available here. So based on that, you can go to the, either you want to go to the directly or going to the, so 01 you have directly are going to the 26 is the latest, or 25 you are going, or 01 to 02 you are going. That is your wish. So based upon our company, so follows same rules, we have to follow it, right? So here you need to choose it. Suppose you want to update this one as well. So then you need to choose this 20 version, latest version which is available. You need to choose that version as well. You want to update this one. So you want to select that one, select the patch level, which patch level you want to update it. Then you can go for the next one. So like that, you can plan the changes. Now, as part of this upgrade, what we are doing is we are planning to upgrade the NetWeaver systems. NetWeaver systems from one version to another version, we are planning to upgrade. So we have selected the target version as the 26. Previously it was 21 is there in the current software. So we have selected, just click on the next button. Once you've done all the changes, just click on the next button. Here you need to choose what is your OS version. You can choose it here. Suppose it's the Windows, you can choose the Windows, and what is the database, you can choose it, and you need to calculate the host agent, IGS, and some tool as well. You need to add this three as well. You need to add this three as well. If it is your Linux system, just go to the here. Then what is your database? Select the database as well, and HANA client as well. Then choose the choose the host agent, IGS, and some tool also you can choose it. All these things additional we can choose it. So what happens if I don't choose these options? What happens? What happens? I have not chosen this one. I have not chosen this host agent and everything. I have not chosen. Just if just I have not chosen these options. Okay. Just I have not chosen any options here. Just if you click on the next button, confirm the selection, automatically it will be added. The following recommended files are not selected. So when you just click on the continue button, that will be added automatically. Automatically, it will be added to the XML file, added to the XML file. So it's a mandatory, it's a recommendation to add this file, some tool, IGS, host agent. So these are the kernels, right? Kernels. So these are the definitely we should add it. Then click on the next button. Click on the next button. Here you can see download the stack.xml file. Okay, just if we click on the download the stack.xml file, the XML file is downloaded here. See here, maintenance planner stack.xml file is downloaded for the our BW1 system. It is getting downloaded. Is downloaded, right? Then you can push the all the patches to the download basket. You can push the patches to the download basket. When you push the patches to the download basket, whatever the patches means all the patches softwares are in the form of .sar, right? So everything will be in the .sar files. Previously, manually we have to select one by one. We have to download it one by one. We have to download. Here you can see hundreds of SAR files are there, hundreds of patches are there. So if you just push this all this to the download basket, so from there we can download using through download manager. We can download all at a time. At a time we can download it. So at a time we can download it. In this way, so we should not miss any files from the downloading. So suppose if you are trying to download one by one, what happens? We are downloading this one, you are downloading this one. First you forgot to patch, you forgot to download this one. Immediately some tool will tell you. So when you are doing the upgrade, some tool will detect like, okay, you have not downloaded this one, please download this patch. Like that. So it will tell you the during the upgrade time. So again, time waste. So for that one, so we need to choose push to the download basket and stack XML file. So this is the way we have to calculate the stack.xml file. Stack.xml. This is the way we have to calculate the stack.xml file. Okay, got it. So let me show you once again one more system. Okay, one more system. Let's take now different system again. Now different system. I will take it the different system now again. Okay, so now we have chosen the BW1. I will go with the different system now. Maybe CC1, CRM system. Okay, so just select the button. Just go to the plan, which system, which version you are going to upgrade it. Just click on the plan button. So just plan. So once you select the plan, here we need to choose the target patch level. So select the system. So then calculate the, so once select your system, then calculate the target patch level, download the XML file, push to the software to the download basket. Same steps you have to explain to them. Okay, so now we are done. We are doing for the CC1 system, one of the CRM system. We are downloading it. We are now the CRM system. We are downloading the patches here. So select what you are doing to upgrade here. So you want to update the NetWeaver stack? Yes, from 7.4. Yes, from which version? That is the latest version. You have the 0.29. We have 29. You selected, right? Then Okay. So then what you are going to update? I want to add new components as well. Just click on the install or maintain add-on. So not only just a single network of, you can also add other components as well. You can want to install new component. You can also just click on the install button. You can add the other components also. You can add it. Other components also you can add it from here. So let's see. So suppose I want to add this one. No. I want to add suppose different this one. So I want to add different component. Then you can choose it which patch level you want to upgrade it. So no. I don't want to add this one. I want to add and one more component this one. Then you can choose whatever you want to add. Just you can choose it. So like that you can choose it. Like that you can choose it. Just confirm the selection. So that's our wish. So which means our company wish. So which components you want to add newly, or which components you want to patch from existing version, one version to another version. That's the our company so wish. So it's a very important for calculation of the stack.xml file. Okay. So here you just selected this one. Just click on the you have selected this one. Just click on the suppose you want to update one more thing. You want to add next year. You want to install the one more enhancement. Whatever you want. So you can do it for. So here you have the options to select it. You can select it. Just click on the confirm the so next version, next button. Okay. Here it is going to update the analytics foundation. Then one more NetWeaver stack upgrade also is going to update it. NetWeaver also is going to update it. So then next it is going to the download files. Just you have need to select the so files as well. So if you go to the which operating system you are going to update that operating system, then if you scroll down here, we have the all these options are available. 4 options. Just click on the confirm button. Then kernel also getting added here. Just select the button. Then so your files will be added automatically. So some tool, software upgrade manager tool, and we have so software upgrade manager and IGS kernel files and host agent. These are the will be added automatically. So you need to select this one. Then click on the next button. Then it will come to the download files. Then download the your XML file. Push all patches to the download basket. From there you can download it. So this is the way we have to download the stack.xml file. So this is the XML file is the key file. It's a very important for the sum tool. Without this one, you cannot proceed with the sum upgrade. So you cannot proceed it. So even sum tool will not allow you to stick that XML file. So it's a very important key file. Key file means you can understand, right? When you are coming to inside of the home, how the key is very important. So without key, we cannot come inside of the home, right? Same as like without the stack.xml file, we cannot come inside of the home. So the key is very important here. This is the way we have to download the all your all we have to download the all these transactions and everything. We have to download it. Okay, we have to download it. All these things we have to download it. This is the way we have to plan our systems for upgrade. Plan our systems for upgrade. So how we done? We have to do the maintenance planner. In one launchpad maintenance planner. From there explore systems, then select your respective systems. Select your respective systems. Which system you want to upgrade? Select your respective systems. Then calculate the target patch level. Calculate the target patch levels. Calculate the target patch levels. Then proceed with the download the XML file and everything. Got it right? Any questions from here? You understand, right? Now, as of now, we discussed what we discussed is calculation of the stack.xml file. Stack.xml file. Normally, maintenance, how the system is available in the service marketplace means solution manager will send the data to maintenance planner. Solution manager is the one of the monitoring system. Same as like we have the ECC, BW, CRM, SRM systems, how the SAP products are there. SAP also to monitor the all our SAP systems. SAP released the one of the monitoring system that is called the solution monitoring system. So this monitoring system will monitor the all our SAP systems will monitor it. If any issues occurs, it will send the LS to our inbox. Immediately we can action it. So same time the solution manager. So same time it will send the all the systems data to our maintenance planner. It will send the data to our maintenance planner. From here we can open the maintenance planner. we can select our system, then we can calculate the patch levels and everything, right? This is the solution manager will do. So, but sometimes some customers, they don't have the solution manager. In this case, what we have to do, if they don't have the solution manager systems, then so they have to manually add the systems. They have to manually add the systems. To manually add the systems into solution manager, maintenance planner, sorry, to manually add the systems into maintenance planner, they have to generate the sysinfo.xml file. They have to generate from their respective satellite systems. Suppose an example, ECC. Log into the ECC, say the transaction, download the sysinfo.xml file. Then after that, upload the sysinfo.xml file into maintenance planner. Same as like how we did, how there is a add button. We can add it. Okay, we can add the system here. Once you add it here, then system is available. Select the system, then you can proceed with the upgrade option. You can proceed with the upgrade version. This way, we can plan our systems to the, so this way we can plan our systems. This way we can plan our systems to the maintenance planner. Okay, so got it. This is the way we have to do for so upgrade. So select your system, add your system, then accept, click on the next button, then browse for the sysinfo.xml file. Just click on the next button. Okay, just click on the next button. So here you need to choose it. Why you are adding manually? Just choose the others, then type it here, something you can type it. Why you are adding something like manually means. So like that you have to. Okay, so like that we have to add our systems, then select your system, plan for the upgrade. So this is the way we have to do the, we have to plan our systems properly. We have to plan our systems for upgrading. So properly plan our systems for upgrading of our systems. So this is the way we have to do it. Okay, so got it. So this is the, if our systems does not have in the solution manager systems, what we have to do means, this is the way we have to plan our systems. This is the way we have to plan our systems. This is the way we have to plan our systems, and everything we have to plan it. Okay, so then once you download all the patches, then we can proceed with the upgrading our SAP systems, updating our SAP systems to, so the new version we can update it. Okay, this is the way we have to calculate the stack.xml file. And so stack.xml file, if you don't have the stack.xml file, then we can proceed with. So we have some other prerequisites as well, not only this one, stack.xml file. So then download all the patches. Anyhow, we will download it. Once you move to the download basket, we will download it. Then so prepare system for upgrade, which means you have to inform to the respective stakeholders, all the users. You have to, not means you means your management will take care of the communications. Okay, then so we need to download all the patches. Then so the prerequisites to perform the SAP upgrade, we have the some prerequisites are available. That is called the pre-patch steps, pre-patching steps, or pre-procedure. So not the refresh steps, pre-steps. That is called the pre-steps. Means upgrade. Before the upgrade, what we have to do. So before the upgrade, so just we need to download the stack.xml. That is the one of the important point. Okay, that is the one of the important point. We have to download it. Then download all the patches. All patches we have to download it. Then once you download it, so move the patches to the application server level. Move the patches to application server level. Application server level means where your SAP installed. From there, so you have to move all the patches to the application server level. Once you move it, then in your system, in SM13, there are no field update request. There are no field updates found. Okay, it should not be. If you found it, you need to inform to the respective. And also in SM58, so no failed. So transactional RFCs, transactional RFCs. There are no failed transactional RFCs. Very important. Can you explain the some 3 steps for the SAP upgrade? Which means you have to explain all these steps. Download the XML file. If you tell this answer, download the XML file means from where you will download it. So where means initially we discussed, right? Go to the service marketplace, maintenance planner, explore systems. There you can just select the select the target patch level. You can download the XML file. That is the answer for this question. Okay, download all the patches. How will you download? One by one or using will you use any tools? Yeah, we will use the download manager, one of the Java file. We will use it to download all the patches. Then move the downloaded patches to the application server. We will move it. Then SM13. So here, these are the SAP level, some of the pre-work. We have to check it out. SM13, we don't have any field updates should be found. And also SMQ1, Q should be empty. This Q should be empty. SMQ1, the Qs should be empty. The Qs should be empty. SMQ1, the Qs should be empty. Then we should have the free space. We should have the free space at so USR, SAP, SID. Under the SID, you should have some free space. Minimum 100 GB or 50 GB free space is required. Why? Because some tool we have to uncar it here. Then, so once you've done it, so push the set the system message. Set the system message to all users. Like that, system message means in SM02, we will set it out. We will set the system message, right? Same like that, we have to set the system message to the users. Once you've done it, once you put the system message to the users, then check the free space at DB level as well. Free space at DB level also, we need to check the free space. Whether the database also, whether we have the free space, and the SAP level, we have to check it out, and the DB level, we have to check it out. And these are the mandatory things. So these are the stack.xml file free steps. So we have to process this, all these things we should check it out. Otherwise, some tool detect these issues. So minimum, so 9 steps or 10 steps. We have one more step. We will write one more step as well. So what is that? So downloading, moving the patches. So it should be, so then extract. Oh yeah. So SAP post agent also we need to update. We need to update SAP post agent also. SAP post agent also we need to update it. Otherwise, so some screen it won't open it. We need to update the SAP post agent. So and we need to update spam and saint also. Yesterday we updated spam and saint also. We have to update. We have to update it. Spam and saint version also we have to update it. So these are the steps you need to remember for the prerequisites, pre-patching steps. So the before the upgrade, what steps we have to perform means these are the steps we need to remember. So first of all, you need to these are the very important steps. You should not skip this one. You can perform other steps as well, but these are the mandatory steps you have to follow. First of all, we need to download all the stack XML file. We need to download it. How we means we know. Download all the patches. So we know push to download basket. We can download it. Then move the patches to the application server. You have downloaded your local desktop. Then you can move to your respective application server, like where your SAP installed. From there, you can go to here. We can just create the one folder, maybe patches folder. Then from there, you can create that one. Then from there, you can create the one folder and you can move all the patches from there. So in SM13, there are no failed update found. You can go to the SAP level. See, go to the SM13. We should see there are no failed updates. Here you can just check the no failed updates should be found. Remove the dates and check it out. So here no failed updates, but here we have the failed updates are there. So just select the but all, try to repeat. So if you repeat it, normally it will be processed. Here all are failed status. Then these all are related to the basis user only. So we can just just we can, what we can do, just we can delete this one. So the step number is passed. We can just, there are no failed updates. There are no failed updates here. Then SM58, we can check the any failed transactional RFCs are available or not. Go to the SM58 transaction code, then check here any, so any failed transactional RFCs are found or not. So here we can see here there are some failed on transaction, many failed transactional RFCs are found here, right? No further container found. There are no failed RFCs, failed transactional RFCs are found in the system. It should not be here. So we need to delete it. How to delete means here there is a reorganize button. Just click on the reorganize button, then reorganize button, that select the which one you want to delete it. Select it here, all 16 entries are deleted. 16 entries are deleted. Click on the refresh, there are no failed entries here. So all are deleted. If we go SMQ1, here SMQ1, here there are no queues stuck. There are no queues stuck. SMQ1, and you can also check the SMQ2 as well. Inbound queues you can check. Nothing is there. So we have checked all these three important steps. We have checked it out. If stuck, if it is failed, we need to take the action, and we need to check the free space at under the USR SAP. Under the USR SAP, we need to check the free space. So okay, so we have the space like almost like so 300 GB free space available. We can check it out. We can set the system message free space. We can check it out. A host agent, we need to update it. Spam and send yesterday we updated. So these are the three steps we have to follow. These are the three steps we have to follow for upgrading our SAP systems. Okay. Once you've done it, then we can start the sum tool. Then we can proceed with the upgrade. Start the sum tool, then we can proceed with the upgrade. So these are the steps we have to follow it. Okay. Got it? Any confusion here? Anyone? Any confusion? If you are unable to get, understanding, let me know. Then just theoretically we can check one more topic like how the upgrade happens and interview point of time we can discuss. Then we can close this topic. It's your wish, and really it's your wish. So let me know if you are unable to understand. Why? Because it's a high level what this upgrade means. So high level, minimum 4 years plus 5 years plus work persons, they will perform these activities minimum. So it's your wish. If you want to, if you're okay, if you are able to understand, just you can just that is fine. We can discuss. But if you are unable to understand, let me know. Then I can we can skip the upgrade topic. Only interview point of time, how the upgrade, what questions we will get, how to answer that questions. Normally upgrade means how it will happen. The theoretically I will explain.
Yes, understanding.
You're understanding, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that is fine. Yeah, this is the three steps. Upgrade, three steps. These are the steps we have to perform. Definitely they will ask you questions. Interviewers, they will ask you questions, or these are the mandatory things we have to perform it during the upgrade. These are the three steps we have to perform it. Then once the pre-steps, all the patches, pre-steps, everything is ready, then we can start the upgrade. So that one we will perform it. Then we can start the upgrade. So that one we will do. So we have to, first of all, what we have to do, we have to calculate that. When we calculated downloading the patches, that will take time. Why? Because there are many patches are there, that will take time. It will be ready by tomorrow. Then we can proceed with the upgrade. We can proceed with that one. So tomorrow we will start the upgrade one. Directly we can start the sum tool. We can proceed with the other steps and everything. Okay. So now pre-steps, you can just you can update it. You can discuss it about the pre-steps and everything. So tomorrow, then we will discuss about so how to how to start the sum tool, then how to launch the sum tool, how to start the sum tool, how to launch, how to open the URL, how to launch the sum tool. Then, what are the roadmap steps of the sum tools? So roadmap steps, which means what are steps for the sum tool? Steps for the sum tool. We will discuss about this one by one. Steps for the sum tool. So these are the topics completed. So once the sum tool completed, then we can start the SAP HANA. Before that, we have the small topics, CCMS, other small topics are there. Those things also we will cover it. Then we can proceed with the HANA database part. Okay, so that's the thing. So yes. Okay, so we'll connect tomorrow. So meanwhile, just to go through the steps, and everything. It's a very important steps. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So thanks, sir.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye.